Navaz's brother has not come yet. The wedding procession is about to come.
Papa and Uncle have gone with Dilda to arrange the money. You do not worry, they will be here soon.
That man is not so good. He does not lend money to anyone. If he was so good, then what was the need to take a loan? And his accountant, Dildar. He keeps an eye on all the women. For his contractor.
Aunt, just pray that the money is arranged.
I pray that everything is fine, and all our problem get resolved. Fine. I will go and see. Maybe they are here.
Yes, fine.
Take care.
Yes.
I have done your service for my whole life. Day and night, I did that. I used to do whatever you used to order me. I always obeyed you, sir. It is my daughter's wedding. And sir, I came to you for help. I need your help at this moment. If you do not help me, then her wedding procession will go back. My honor is now in your hands.
Sir, if I would not have brought him here, then he would have died begging at home like this. He has made me crazy. He wants 2 lakh rupees. His daughter's wedding procession is here today.
And you never told me that. That his daughter is young.
Sir, he fixed the proposal of his daughter quickly. Or else I had decided that I would tell you.
Have mercy on a poor man like me, sir. I have only one daughter and she is getting married today.
Yes, so what was the hurry? Why are you marrying her so soon? When you had the money, then you could have gotten married her.
My daughter has become grown up now. Although she is my daughter, but she is like a red rose. She is very beautiful, but she is a fool. I have got her educated more than I could afford. She is my only daughter. Her mother taught her everything, like stitching, cutting, embroidery, cooking. We have taught her everything.
God forgive me, sir. I am telling you, she is really stubborn.
If you had told me earlier, I would have sent the wedding procession to your home.
Okay girls, stop singing and dancing. The wedding procession is at the door, go and see. The wedding procession is here.
Yes. If father does not bring money,
I know. Then God will fix everything. Do not worry.
sir. You are a rich family. Poor people like us. We will live on your money. I mean, what is a match of yours and mine?
Not a match. Silly. It is a disease. Do you not know about it? The one who falls in love with beauty, and it does not allow to do anything else. Do you understand?
Listen to me. When the moon rises in this town, the whole world sees its light. Do you know that? But look at you, what you have done. You had hidden your beauty in your home.
Not everyone can find the moon. If a poor person like me has a daughter who is a little bit of beauty as well, then people consider her as a commonwealth for everyone. Sir, I do not have the strength to take care of my daughter, so I thought I would fulfill her duty and get free from this responsibility. Sir, today my honor is in your hands. Please have mercy on me.
Okay. Tell me that. What do you have to mortgage?
Sir, I have nothing but this life. Nothing else. You do this favor on my life, that will be your greatness. I will make this life, for the rest of my life, a slave in your feet, but please have mercy on my and help me.
You do not have any life left. So what will you mortgage?
Respected sir, I had a small house. I have the documents of that house with Munshi Sahib. Accountant have those documents.
He took money from me in return for the house and kept it for himself. His wife was sick. She had cancer, but she did not survive, even after that.
Have mercy on me, sir. If my daughter gets married, then for the rest of my life, I will become your slave.
Look, if you do not be able to repay the loan, then your honor will be mine. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes, sir. As you wish.
Accountant.
God bless you. May God bless you in both the worlds.
Actually, that Brother Nawaz must be on his way. Here is a list, take it. I have prepared this list for dowry. Everything is written in it. Okay. Okay. But you had to give me 2 lakh rupees. Brother Nawaz has gone to arrange it. It gets late sometimes. You do not worry. He will come right away, you will get it. But his father had promised me that he will give me 2 lakh rupees as a wedding gift to me as soon as we arrive. Then why hasn't the arrangement been made yet? Yes, he has gone to bring it. You will get it. You do not worry. He is coming right now. I will see. Yes, fine. He used to talk so much. And when he has to give me 2 lakh rupees, he hid his face. I have spent more on this wedding than that.
Should we start the wedding?
Maulvi Sahab, how can we start the wedding like this? Until we do not get 2 lakh rupees as a wedding money, we cannot start the wedding.
Aunt, make them understand. Father will come in a while.
Look, sister. Nawazuddin has gone to arrange the money. He will be here soon.
Enough. Let it be. When he will come and the wedding will happen. I do not want to get married. He must have hidden his face somewhere. Mama, I had told you already. Do not to get brother married among these poor people. You were fond of getting educated daughters-in-law married.
What are you saying, sister? You be quiet. Will you get me married?
You are very fond of getting married. Do not you dare, if you move a finger without my permission. Your sister is right. They does not have money as a wedding gift. What will I do by taking his degrees home? Making relations with poor people is like being abused in this era. And that too with a child whose income comes from Dubai. My child is educated, and I get married to him, who does not even have a single penny. Please, sister, do not say this. Sister, we have given you everything for dowry. We did not leave anything missing. And we have given you the list as well. If you are a neighbor, then be a neighbor. There is no need to say so much. Why are you getting hurt? Is she your daughter? I do not want to get married. Get up, let's go home.
But Mama.
But, nothing, son. I have said what I said. We will not do this marriage. Who will marry these poor people? Just think about it. He promised 2 lakhs and went and sat quietly on time. His father. My child is educated. He is an interpass. He will get married to any girl. He has no problem in that. We do not want to get married here.
Uncle, that bike guy. I was trying to save the bike guy. I was trying to save him. Get up. I was trying to save the bike guy. Are you hurt? Are you okay? Huh? I will take you to the hospital. Come on, let's go. Come on. That bike guy. It's his fault. I will. You come here. Why isn't the door opening? 1 minute. I will open the lock and come. 1 minute. Wait here. Do not move. He is driving a motorbike. 1 minute. Look at the top of the dashboard. You sit. I will take you to the hospital right now. Sit. Are you hurt? Leave it. There is blood too. I was trying to save the bike guy.
Come on, let's go. Come.
Listen to me, sister.
What should I listen to? What is left to listen to now?
Sister, the girl's life will be ruined. I beg you. Be patient for a while. Nawazuddin must be on his way.
Yes, sister. Wait a little, please wait. He will be here in a while. That is it. This is enough. If he was respectable, he would have taken care of his respect. He couldn't arrange for 2 lakh rupees. What else did he have to do? It was about to be night, but he could not arrange for it. She does not have any respect now. She and her father are not respectable.
That's it. You have said enough. He was the one with whom father was maying me to. Whose mother you are.
Mother,
What I? Take him to the goat market and auction him off. You came to sell your son, right? Take your prince, and take your fake jewelry. I do not want it. Take it. Go somewhere else and create a scene. Tie him to someone else's door.
You are saying it as if your father has given us gold bricks, or he has given you some mansion.
My father has given me everything. The clothes you are wearing, my father has given them to me as well. If it was possible, I would have got them removed right now. You asked for the money, you asked for the jewelry. You are the beggar, not us.
Be careful, son, be careful.
Yes, I am fine. Look, I am absolutely fine.
You are not drunk, are you?
No, I'm not drunk. Actually, it was New Year's night. That is why. I met a few friends. Just a few, not more than that.
Be careful, son, be careful. Why do you drink this poison, son?
Poison. To die, you have to drink a little. And to stay alive, you have to drink a lot. Sometimes, it is important. It is necessary.
No, my child, no. This is not a good thing. Be careful, son. Be careful. My son, be careful.
I see.
Son, it's my daughter's wedding today. If you take me home quickly, then it will be a favor for me.
No, we are almost there.
If I reach late, then the guests will go back. I have the money for the gift, right?
You are not getting hurt, right?
It is night and his father has not come yet. He must have hidden somewhere. I only stayed back because if I get 2 lakh rupees, then I will get my elder son released from the jail. But my hope is over now. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Look, sister.
Look, nothing. I have waited enough. Now we cannot stay here even for a minute. It's night since morning. I do not know where that man has gone. And this. She has a long tongue that she is speaking. I have tolerated it with a lot of difficulty. What has your education taught you? Is this what you have learned from your books? Is this what you have studied?
Yes. I have read in the books that greed is a bad thing and dowry is a curse.
Hey, you are very smart.
Hey, don't you dare say a single word to me. You have ruined your own house, and have been sitting at your mother's house for the past 5 years. You cannot even drink water properly. You make your sisters-in-law do all the work. Ill-mannered.
Hey, do not you dare. Do not you dare say a single word to my daughter. You have put an allegation on my innocent daughter, and I will.
No. Like this. On girls. One does not hit girls. In fact, girls. They should be dealt with love and respect. And should be left respectfully.
And I know what I have to do and what I do not have to do. You, who are you to make me understand all this?
What will you do if you know me? Huh? Even if you take my life. I do not think it will be of any use. There is no use. You leave it.
Hey, leave my mother's hand. You do not know me. I can make a person like you disappear in a second.
Okay, so. You will make me disappear. Make me disappear. I am standing in front of you. Make me disappear in front of you. Make me disappear. Make me disappear.
Here. Your husband is here.
Hey! Do not speak ill of me. Or his daughter. There is nothing like that.
Look at your name, Haya. And your actions are like dishonoured girls. You do not have anything called Haya in you. Marry with him. We are leaving. Come on.
For God's sake. I am a father of a daughter, and they have come to drop me home. There is nothing like that. Hey son. You go. You are very kind. You have come to drop me home. It is nothing like you are thinking.
Why are you sending him? You have brought him with you to get us insulted. Make him sit with you. Feed him. We will go. Come on, son.
But mother,
No ifs and buts. Do what I have asked you to do. Is it clear? Come on.
No. Look, sister. I beg you, do not do this to me, sister. If my daughter's wedding procession goes back, I will not be able to face anyone. Please do not do this to my daughter. I beg you, I will sit in your feet, please. Forgive me, sister, please forgive me. Do not take back the wedding procession of my daughter. I am ready to accept all your conditions. I am ready to accept all your conditions. I have come here to fulfill all your conditions. I am ready to accept all of your conditions.
There were best proposal coming for my son. I thought about your white hair and your old age, so I accepted your daughter. That I got ready to make your daughter my daughter-in-law. You will see, you will die with these walls. And will stay alone for your whole life. No one will accept you. No one will marry her. No one will accept her. No one will accept her.
I will accept her. Father, I will marry your daughter. Go, I will marry her.
That he will marry her. She was worthy of him. People like you should marry people like him. Marry your daughter to him. She is worthy of him. We decent people are not worthy.
Decent. Really, you are decent. Look. Decent.
Come, son, let's go. Come.
Sister, do not do this. Sister, do not do this.
Father, 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 bring water for him, please. Father,
bring water.
father.
Sheikh Sahab. Sheikh Saheb.
I want to request you one thing. Both of you get my daughter married. It will be a great favor on my life. Please do this favor to me.
Brother Nawazuddin. She is my daughter as well. God will make it better. You take care of yourself.
Oh God. May God bless you.
God helps daughters. You do not worry, brother. God will make it better. You take care of yourself. Brother Nawazuddin.
May God bless you. Just for me. My daughter. Married her. Please.
You take care of yourself. I am here.
May God bless you. God bless you. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Do not cry. Do not cry, child. I will be fine, my child. Do not cry. stop crying. I will be fine by the time you get married. Do not cry, my daughter. I will be fine soon. You would get married. Do not cry.
My child,
Yes.
my child, I think. You are from a good family. Will you really get married to my daughter?
I will get married. Once I have said it, I will get married.
Haya, daughter of Nawazuddin, you are getting married to Sailor, son of Masood. You will be given 10 lakh rupees from Sailor for this marriage. Do you accept it?
I accept it.
You are very lucky. The boy looks like a prince of dreams. What a boy, he is so handsome. I wish I could get someone like him. Did you see his watch? It was shining. He came in a big car. It was also shining. I thought he was a rich man. Where did your Faha bring him from?
I do not know. Who is he? Where did he come from?
Do not act too much, Haya. You are like that. Anyone can lose their senses. By the way, his walk seemed like that. He had lost his senses at first sight. Was it a matter of love?
It is not a matter of love. He is a stranger to me. I do not know him more than that.
Haya, my child, if your father was in his senses, we would have asked him. But aunt, how can anyone get married to someone like that? Think about it. What is there to think about? The decisions of nature can happen like this too. And the biggest thing is that God has sent an angel for our Haya, so her honor could be secured. Otherwise, Nagua, his son, they had left no stone unturned in ruining our respect. Dear, congratulations to you. Brother Nawaz, the child has come to meet you.
Yes.
How are you, Dad?
He is fine now. The doctor was saying that he will be fine by morning. There is no danger.
I am leaving.
Hey, where are you going, son?
Home. My home.
Home? Then, son, would you not take your bride?
Where will I take my bride?
Haya is your bride. You have been married to her.
Yes, I have. But I have been awake for 40 hours. I have been awake the whole day and night. I have taken him to the hospital. I'm tired. I have to go.
Hey, son. Stay here. You are the son-in-law of this house. This is your house, son.
Get up, bride. I am sleepy.
Go, daughter. Take him to your room. He is your husband now.
I cannot leave Dad in this condition.
Go, son. Go.
Dad. Dad.
Hurry up. I am very tired.
It is fine, son.
Son, God has made my problem easy. Be thankful. I am also thankful to God. I pray to God.
Go, my dear, go. We are with your dad. You do not worry. Go, my dear. Go safely.
Yes.
Thank you.
You are so beautiful.
Why did you marry me?
I married you because I was actually came here. I do not know. I do not know.
Aunt is right. You are like an angel of mercy for me.
You both are cheap. You are evil. Your father has left you both as a curse for me. I do not know what to do.
I am not an angel. I am a curse. If you do not believe me, then go and meet my mother. But no, she is not my mother. He was my father. He married her. He married to that lady. Now I have to call her mother. I am a curse.
Do not say that. In our family, a husband is called God.
Am I alive? Am I? I am. I think that. I'm dead. I am not alive. I feel that. This house of yours. This house. It is not a house, this place. This is heaven. And you are an angel. An angel. Your eyes just looks like an angel's. Your hair looks like angels. You are very beautiful. Just like Looks like an angel.
Who is there?
Sister, we had to pick up things from inside.
Okay. Come on, pick up your stuff.
This is the bill. This is the balance. Your father had already made some payments. This is the balance. Get this done. We have taken the utensils from outside. Some stuff is inside. If you want, we can pick it up.
Yes. Yes, pick it up.
Hey Rashid. And Liaquat, come quickly. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Oh God, I do not know if Papa will bring the money tomorrow or not. He had nothing in his hand.
Sister, hurry up. We have a lot of time.
Papa, the decoration guy is here. He is asking for money. Father. 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 My father. Father, you cannot leave me. Father, open your eyes once. Look, I have put henna on my hands. You always wanted to see henna on my hands. Look, the color of the henna is so nice. Open your eyes, for God's sake. Papa, open your eyes. You cannot leave me like this. What will I do? Please do not do this to me. Oh God. What will I do? Father, I cannot live without you. Father.
What happened, child?
Look, father has left me and gone. No, what will I do? He has lost his life for the sake of his daughter's marriage. He has lost his life for me, auntie. My father has killed his happiness. Papa has left me. Father has left me.
Child, be strong.
Leave me. Oh my God.
Child, you sit. I will check.
Father.
What happened to her? Why is she crying?
Her father has died. Nawazuddin is not alive in this world anymore. God has snatched this support of her from her.
Give it to this girl.
You have got married to her.
When?
Last night.
With whom?
With Haya. She's your wife.
I do not remember anything.
She recently got such a big shock. Do not do this, son.
I do not remember anything.
Oh son. For God's sake. What he has done.
Where has Sarah gone?
She did not tell me before leaving. She never asks me before leaving. You are her brother. So you should tell me where she has gone.
How many times I've told her that that guy is not right. Why do you not make her understand?
With whom she roams around, I do not care.
What? You are my father's second wife. Dad brought you in this house, just to see and handle his children. Did you not forget that? Yes? You were our governess, right?
Whether you accept it or not. Now, I am Mrs. Masood Alam. Your second mother.
I know, my second mother and my mother's co-wife. My mother died because of this sorrow and my father died because of this guilt. And only you are responsible for all of this, understand?
I think you have not got rid of your hangover.
Yes, it is still there. That is why I am tolerating. Nobody can take my mother's place. Understand? Yes. Not you at all.
Whether you accept it or not. Now, I am Mrs. Masood Alam, your second mother. You are married to her last night. She is your wife. You do not remember anything. How can you do this? She is your wife. Here you go, child. You have not eaten anything since yesterday. Eat one morsel, my child. Very good. That boy has given this money. That boy Salah. Maybe. He has given it to that evil eye.
But I did not say anything to him.
Whether it happened or not, the marriage has been done. He has spent the night with you. And the whole neighborhood knows that you have been married to him. And everyone has seen him coming out of your room in the morning. And he says that he does not remember anything. Have some water, my child. Have some water.
What does he think of himself? If Haya was a prostitute, then I would have killed him for a night. If I do not throw this money on his face, then my name is also Haya Fatima.
But you, where will you find him? Where will you find him? A stranger. He is a stranger. We do not have his address. I do not know where your father has picked him up from. When he got intoxicated, like an empty bottle, he kicked you. Wow. Your house is so beautiful.
Did you like it?
Very much.
Look at that painting.
It is such a beautiful painting.
This is actually my elder brother's choice.
Do you like paintings?
Yes.
Wow. This chandelier is so beautiful. It's beautiful.
This is my choice. I brought it.
It's very beautiful.
You have not seen my bedroom yet. Come, I will show you the bedroom. Come on. How did you like my bedroom?
It's very beautiful. Do you know Hamza? I really like fish. They are swimming in the water. They are colorful.
Really? You like fish a lot, right? Have you ever seen a fish getting trapped in a net?
I think we should go now. It is late.
What is the hurry? We have come so far. Let's relax. Let's talk.
Hamza, you love me, right? Why do you not marry me?
What kind of a girl are you? I am in a mood for romance, and you brought marriage in between.
Marriage did not come in between. Your romance came in between.
How stupid of you. All this happens in love. And you also love me.
Yes, I love you.
Then come in my arms.
Hamza, I really love you.
You get true love only in books, my love, not in real life.
Leave me. Hamza, leave me. What is this misbehavior? Hamza, leave me. That boy, Salah, has given this money to you. Maybe. He has given it for that night.
I have to give the money back to the decoration man. What do? I have to repay everyone's loan, but first I will take this money from Salah and repay his loan. But where will I find him? How?
Yes, yes, no. Okay, I will do one thing. I will call you again in a while. Okay, bye. Did you come to meet Salah?
Yes. I have work with him.
What is your name?
Hiya, Fatima.
Last night, did you spend with him? I mean, he was missing from home all night. He came in the morning. By the way, he is a strange boy. He has his own will. He does not lack girls. And I do not know how many girls he has like you. If he drinks, then he does all kinds of mischief. His mother did not raise him well. That is why he is spoiled.
Who are you to Salah?
Me?
Yes.
I am his father's second wife.
I have to repay this loan.
Just? Is this what you have come?
Yes.
Then go. Because Salah will not accept that, after giving it as a loan.
You return this trust to him.
Wait. How long have you known Salah?
I met him 2 days ago.
Are you his friend?
No.
Then,
Have you ever seen the breathe?
what do you mean?
I mean, breathing has a deep connection with a person's life. We can feel it, but we cannot see it. But I have a very dark connection with Salah. If I feel it, it is life. And if I want to see it, it is only the air. As if he does not exist.
I don't understand.
I do not understand either.
Ghulam Farid. Bring breakfast. Where is Sarah?
She did not come home since last night.
What do you mean by this? She did not come home and you do not care. If Sarah was your real daughter, then you would care.
Yes. Maybe. Anyways, the girl came and gave you this money. She was asking you to return her a loan.
How does she look?
She is very beautiful, in fact, very beautiful. But by the way, she looked like from a poor family.
Really? She just came to return some money. What did she say about me? What is she saying?
That you did very bad with her. You are a very cheap person. You play with a girl's respect. You have no shame. She was saying a lot of things. And she was cursing you a lot.
I did not do anything like that. I have never played with a girl's respect in my entire life. Whatever she said was wrong. She was lying.
He is a big saint.
What did you say?
Nothing.
I drank a little too much. There was a New Year party. I was coming back home, so I got married accidentally.
What?
I do not believe in such marriages. I do not believe it. Neither do I know her, nor does she know me. And look, I did not do anything wrong. And I am not afraid of anyone's curse. Do you understand?
Yes. What will you care about someone's curse? Take some news about your sister. I do not know which naughty boy she is roaming around with these days. The number you have dialed is switched off. The number you have dialed is switched off.
Ghulam Farad, where is the breakfast? You are an angel. An angel. You look like an angel from the heaven. You are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. Am I like an angel? I am very bad.
Do not say that. In our house, we treat husband very respectfully.
Where were you?
I was with Hamza.
Look, Zara, I have found out about that boy. His reputation is not good.
What do I have to do with his reputation? I love him. I want to marry him.
Ask him to send his marriage proposal.
Why do you not marry me?
What kind of a girl are you? I am not in the mood for romance and you want to get married in the middle?
You do not leave the door unlocked, my dear Haya. The time is bad. I have heard. Your marriage had cancelled. And that boy, with whom you got married, he also rejected you. It was very bad. but actually your father borrowed 2 lakh rupees as a loan from contractor Asfandia. But you do not worry. I will make him forgive. I am here for you. Listen, my dear. If you do a good deed and look at me with love, then your lover's youth will come back, and I will be yours forever. I have heard that you are so lovely, that millions of people are in your love. I am also waiting for your love in that list, as there is no beauty that can beat you.
Poetry is very nice, but your time is very bad. In the neighborhood, every woman's brother, every girl's uncle. You must have other women as a matchmaker. You Uncle Dilda. You had a lot of desire of my love. Now go, and show your red cheeks to everyone. Get out of here. Go somewhere else and cover your face. Go.
You have seen Dilda's generosity, not treachery. Dilda is very good at calculating. Now I will show you what I could do. What you have done to me today. Your dead father will also pay for this slap, my dear. Hiya, Fatima. Yes.
The number you have dialed is busy at the moment. Please try later. The number you have dialed is busy at the moment.
All this happens in love. And you also love me.
Yes, I love you.
True love is found only in books, my dear.
Sarah. Sarah, why are you not answering? Sarah,
What is it? Why are you making so much noise?
she is not opening the door.
Sarah. Sarah.
I do not feel right.
Sarah. Sarah.
Sarah. Sarah.
Sarah.
Sarah, what are you doing? Sarah. What happened? What happened? Why are you doing this? You know how much I love you, right? You are my angel. You are my little doll.
Your doll is broken, brother. Your doll is broken.
What happened? Did someone say something to you? Tell me.
I am not a good girl, brother. I am not a good girl. Stay away from me. I feel disgusted with myself. I feel disgusted with my existence, brother.
What happened? Tell me. My heart is sinking.
I am not a good girl, brother. Let me die. This is what should happen to girls like me.
What happened?
I should die.
What happened?
I made a mistake, brother.
What?
You used to tell me. You used to tell me that do not to talk to boys. To stay away.
What happened?
I did not listen to you. I have become blind in his love. I thought it was love. It was not love. It was deception. He was a fraud. He deceived me. You did not do anything to anyone. Our men are like this, brother. Tell me. Tell me. How can someone leave you after making commitment with you? Why did this happen, brother? Why did this happen? Brother, answer me. Tell me, brother. Men are not the only ones who make a scene. Girls are equally involved in this game. You became a toy, so he played. If you had become a stone, he would have broken his head and gone back. Your brother is also a common man in this society. People love and then leave. Marriage does not matter for him. When you do this to someone's daughter, you will get what you did. Right? Water. Brother. You did not do anything to anyone. Her father has just died.
Give it to this girl.
You have been married to her. What kind of men are they, brother? Tell me. How can someone leave you after doing commitment with you?
I was coming to house, I would have been married. I do not believe in such things. I do not believe it.
Why did this happen, brother? Brother, answer me. Tell me, what difference will it make to you?
I do not believe in such marriages.
Answer me. You have been married to her. Or Shah-e-Imam. Please take a look. My lodge is yours. Your Highness. Moor my boat. By your grace. I am a broken heart. My heart is heavy with sorrow. Oh God. Just like her face. Her voice is also beautiful. Who are you?
I am a poor girl, but I have respect. For God's sake, save my respect. I do not know why people have brought me here.
There can only be two reasons. Either you have defamed a man, or you have spitted on that man's manhood. What do you say? You have done something like this. Do not cry, my child.
I have no one. No father, no brother. No.
Get up, my child. Are you married?
Yes.
What is his name?
My husband's name is Salah. He left me. He left me alone. In the morning of our marriage, he came to be my shadow. But he snatched the land under my feet.
The prostitutes of the beauty market is better than such decent people. These women even trade their respect. They do it with a lot of honesty. And these respectable men do not even cheat with honesty.
Help me. Tell me yourself, please. Where should I go? Who should I run away from? Help me. Save my respect. I have no one. I expect a lot from you. For God's sake, get me out of here.
I have spent my whole life in sin. But seeing this innocence on your face, I feel like, after seeing your face, I am doing a good deed.
You have given me such a punishment. Forgive me. Help me. Forgive me. Hello. Timur, where are you? Find out about Hamza. Yes, Asfon Nia's younger brother. Find out about him quickly. Bye.
You? And here?
Yes, I'm Salah. Did you recognize me?
Yes.
Actually, I came that night. And I was not well. I got married to Haya, if you remember.
I remember. I remember very well. You kept the money on my hand and left.
Where is Haya?
I have come 2 or 3 times since morning, but there is no one here. I thought she went to you.
What do you mean?
Did she not go to you?
No.
Then, where can she go?
Hello? Yes, you people reach there, I will come. Okay. Listen. Please keep my card. If you have any contact with Haya, then tell her to call me.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, I have to say a couplet in front of you.
I have said it. In the past, I have done everything. And did wrong deeds.
Wow.
Wow. Sir, by giving an ordinary loan, such a big wealth. Why, sir? Huh? Sir, I have settled my account and fulfilled my loyalty. Now you take your price from that.
You are very good at settling accounts, Dildara. I am really proud of you.
Yes, sir. Now the camel will come under the mountain. Now it will be fun.
I will make this go very unique. I will do that.
Sir, you have not heard her voice. Her voice is so melodious. What is the voice? It is a cuckoo's cuckoo. Just listen to that.
Sailor.
My name. My name is Isfandiar. Your father took a loan from me. Now he is no more. He has died. So, you will repay his loan. I have heard that you are a very egoistic person. Now the time has come to repay your favor. You are very beautiful. Is this the intoxication of alcohol, or your innocence? My eyes are not able to see you. In my childhood, I used to catch a lot of butterflies. Sometimes here, sometimes there. It used to fly. But I used to catch it.
Leave my hand. Leave my hand.
And I used to crush those butterflies. And after crushing them,
Leave.
I leave them unconscious.
Khanum. He is in the room.
You just leave everything. You hurry up and get out of here.
Khanum,
Yes?
he also came.
Who?
My husband, the one I got married to, he came here.
Are you sure he came here?
Yes, I saw him with my own eyes.
Well, that is good. He must have definitely come to take you. If he forgets in the morning and come back home in the evening, then you are not forgotten, my love. Now you get out of here. Hurry up, please.
Yes.
Listen. I will also miss you a lot.
I will also miss you.
Go. May God bless you. Go.
Aya.
Higher. You are here at this time? What are you doing here? I am Salah. Did you recognize me?
Yes. A husband who leaves his wife.
Are you fine? Did something happen to you? Is everything fine?
I was so worried. Why did you leave me?
Come on, sit in the car with me.
I do not want to go anywhere with you.
Hi, I'm getting late. Come on, sit in the car with me. I am telling you.
I said I do not want to go.
I was not the reason for your mother's death. Look. If love is true, then there is no room for a third person. But there was something missing in your mother's love. That is why your father married me. He broke your mother out of disloyalty and married me again. But he did not hide it. Just like that, Salah got married. But he did not hide it. Marriage. Brother got married. Why did he not tell me? Her name is Haya Fatima. She is poor. But she is a very independent girl. Have you met her? It means I was so lost in my own world that I did not even know that brother got married. Brother took away the right to be a sister from me. I got so blind in that Hamza's fake love. I became so lost that I lost the relation of brother's true love.
Remove the gun from him. You have ruined my sister's life. But I know it very well that relations are never made on the tip of a gun. You have ruined Sarah's life. I feel like killing you. Do you know what condition she is in? She is dying because of the fake love you have given her.
I'm not wrong.
Whether you are wrong or right, no one knows this better than you. But let me tell you one thing, listen to me carefully. If you are alive, then the only reason is that Sarah loves you. Just like that ordinary girl who lives and dies in someone's name. Do you understand? Otherwise, I feel like killing you right now.
You forgive me, Salar.
What are you asking for forgiveness from me? Why are you asking for forgiveness from me? If you want to ask for forgiveness, then ask from the one whose criminal you are, whose heart you have broken. You have hurt a girl's ego. If you ask her for forgiveness, then her ego will remain intact. I know it very well, that you and I are lost travelers on the same path. There is not much difference between you and me. But there is one difference. That I have never lied to anyone. The way you play with someone's emotions, with someone's feelings. All this is a game for you. You enjoy it. But you have forgotten while doing all this, that in these games, in these scenes, sometimes someone's ego is hurt. Someone's prayer is hurt.
You forgive me, Salar.
Do not ask for forgiveness from me. Ask forgiveness from your victim. Come on.
You do not worry at all. Everything will be fine. How can it be fine? Brother got married. Where did that girl come from? Who is she?
She is the girl I married.
You are lucky that you are tied up in a relationship of respect.
Do you know him?
Yes. I know him. He is a man who can do anything in his manhood.
When you do not get your right, you have to snatch it all. This is what I have learned in my whole life. Please, you also learn.
Forgive me, Sarah.
Look, Sarah, I did what I could for you. This is your love. I have brought it in front of you. Now if you want, you can reject it. If you want, you can accept it. All this is up to you.
Love is not like charity. It should be like a feeling. Relationships of the heart are not forcibly made.
Forgive me, Sarah. I am really a bad person. I do not know how many girls I have flirted with, how many times I have lied to you. But one thing is true, that all the girls I have flirted with till now, they were all fake like me, unlike you. Sometimes they never tried to die for me or for my love. I just played with them, and they played with me. I might never have married you, but when I heard the words of Salar and Haya in the car, I realized that respect is a big matter. In this, God makes his own daughters and daughters-in-law, by deceiving them, make us realize I might do not deserve a good girl like you. But once, Sarah, forgive me once and hold my hand. Maybe I will improve. I will be saved from getting upset. I want to marry you. I want to accept you with respect and in front of everyone.
Come. Asfand and his companions have been caught by the police.
This was bound to happen. The result of evil is never good.
Right? Actually, both of you siblings have been married. But marriage, I want it to be the way it has to be. I have made some arrangements, without telling you.
Hey, what is the need to ask about this? You did what you thought was right and you should do it. Yes. These are the property documents. I have transferred this house and Dad's half of the property to you. Dad could not give you your right in his life. I feel that. A house is a woman's fundamental right. I have got your name written in this house.
Salah. I cannot believe this. I don't need this. And I never did. I just wanted that. The relation that your dad has established with me. You people accept it with a true heart. I may not be your real mother, but I am your mother.
For me, love is more important than money. To spend a life in a better way. And in the form of higher. I have got the most beautiful relation and love. To be honest, I feel that I am the richest person in this world. I never had any interest in this property of Dad. Nor do I have. Yes, one more thing. Knowingly or unknowingly, if I have ever misbehaved with you, I apologize to you. Being Dad's second wife. Once. Can I call you Mum once?
Sure. Why not?
I am sorry. I am really sorry.
I am sorry too.
Thank you. By the way, that day when I was not in my senses, it was good.
What do you mean?
I mean, if I was in my senses, then where would I get a beautiful girl like you in my fate?
You get a good reward for your good deeds.
No. As far as I remember, I have never done such a big good deed in my life in return of which I got a gift like you. I did not deserve you at all. The truth is that I do not get a girl like me. A spoilt wife.
Sometimes you get a big reward for a small good deed. For me, you have come twice as an angel of mercy. First you saved me from that greedy man. Then you saved me from Asfandia's trap. God has made you a means of my help twice.
Yes, maybe this is how our meeting was written.
Yes.
Okay, tell me one thing. What do you call it? Yes. Marriage gift. What will you take from me as a gift?
15,000.
What will you do with 15,000?
I have to give 200 rupees to the vegetable vendor.
Who else do you have to pay?
And, yes, I have to pay 1,200 rupees to the electrician as well.
Okay, go inside and pay all the accounts.
1 minute. There is one more account left.
You just order me. What account?
I had prayed to God. The day I will get you. We will pray for thankfulness.